In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your WordPress website using Hostinger. Now, backing up your site is a crucial task to ensure you're fully prepared in case something goes wrong, like server crashes or accidental deletions. We all want that peace of mind knowing that our hard work is safely tucked away and retrievable whenever we need it. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, head over to the Hostinger homepage by opening your browser and typing in the website URL. This is your central hub where all the action happens. Once you're there, look for the Websites option. This is typically located in the main navigation menu. Click on Websites, and you'll be taken to a screen where you'll see a list of all your hosted sites. Now find the specific website you want to back up and click on the dashboard. This area is like the command center for your website, giving you access to various tools and settings. You're going to want to direct your attention next to the Files section within the dashboard. Click on it and you'll be guided to where your website's data is managed. You should now see a Backups option. Go ahead and click on that. It's here where you'll create and manage your website backups. In the world of digital safety, having a backup strategy is essential, and Hostinger provides a straightforward solution for this. Once you're within the Backup section, look for the Manage Backups button. Clicking this will bring up more details about your current backup status and options. Hostinger's backup feature is designed to be user-friendly, minimizing any hassle so you can focus on growing your website without worries. After entering the Manage Backups area, you're almost there. The final step in this journey is to locate and click on Backups once more from here. This action will initiate the process to either complete a new backup or restore your website from a previous backup, giving you the control to safeguard your data as required. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the steps to back up your WordPress website using Hostinger. Always remember to perform these backups regularly and keep a record of them so that you're never at risk of losing important information. Backup and restoration processes are your best friends when it comes to sustainable website management. Hopefully, this guide makes the task simpler and more manageable for you. Feel free to reach out in the comments below with any questions or additional tips you might have for the community. Thanks for watching and happy backing up!